2024 program Noir. This event is proud to present Sound of the Rockies High School Marching Band. Are the judges ready? Okay. Drum major, is your band ready? Sound of the Rockies, you may take the field in exhibition.
Welcome to the city, where the sun is always shining, and the buildings are gleaming, and opportunity awaits you on every corner.
Life in the city is amazing. It's paradise on earth.
At least that's what the ads say.
In reality, it's a darkness of a place. What the rain pours down at you. After rentals don't pour us a peasant. This city is infested with hardened criminals, crooked cops, and sassy dames. Life here was like a bucket of crap with a barbed wire handle. He does what he likes. He takes what he wants. His problems seem to find their way into the river, with a couple of holes and some extra legs. Small runs this city through dirty money, crooked deals, and a hail of bullets. Oh, hey, Mom. Great to see you. Yeah, I got your money. No, please. You don't need to kill me. has only one problem. Detective Bien. Bien has the distinction of being this city's only incorruptible cop. He cannot be bought, bribed, or perturbed from his justice. His badge, a gleaming shield of righteousness. His only flaw, love. Miss Evelyn Green. He was abroad to make a bishop kick a hole through a stained glass window. He sings and swoons many a heart in Vincent Mall's the Buckingham Palace. And Mr. Bien never misses a show.
One once told me that love was the answer to the puzzle of my longings for all. So I finally tried it, just to realize it, that man and love still can't explain, 'cause I want it all. I want it all. So much more than not just that, but the whole. Love's not the answer, but a stop on my way. So, Kashmir began to take my hand, moving to the top, just another stop. I don't need love from ya, it's not enough, baby. I want it all. Forget that ring hiding behind your back, baby. I want it all. Men try to please me by swooning and crooning, and I play along for the show. But until I reach the top, I'm never gonna stop, 'cause baby, I want it all.
Love is grand, but not when you're caught between the gangster Vincent Mall, who provides your livelihood, and Detective Bien, who's trying to topple his evil empire. Evelyn had to make a choice. I can't do it, Evelyn said, staring into Bien's eyes. I can't see you anymore. Maul will kill me. Help me take him down, Detective Bien replied, and you will never need to be afraid again. He's got dirt on me and I can't go anywhere. Justice be damned if I can't protect the woman I loved. Love, complicated, messy, and the only thing that corrupts the incorruptible. Detective Bien's righteousness flew right out the window at the sight of her smile. So it was then and there that they plotted the perfect murder. Detective Bien grabbed Evelyn by the hand, and together they set off to face their destiny, and the end of Vincent Mall. seemed like a long walk through a minefield. Detective Bien confronted Vincent Mall. "What are you doing here?" Vincent Mall said with disdain. "Putting an end to you, Mall," Bien said with an unbridled rage. "That's big talk, copper. I'm going to knock all your teeth out. Keep on riding me, Mall. They'll be picking iron out your liver." How could Detective Bien have known that murder could smell like honeysuckle? "That's my girl," said Mall with a sly smile.
I want it all, I want it all, so much more than not just that, but the whole.
Evelyn had outsmarted Vincent Mall and played Detective Bien like a fiddle. Evelyn looked down at the bodies of Vincent Mall and Detective Bien. "Sorry, fellas. A girl's gotta look out for number one. This city, it's mine. It's always been mine."